Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, to my subscribers. And if you're new here, I welcome you for the first time. Today, I'm going to be doing a ribbon pour. I haven't poured in over a week because I've been getting ready for a show that I just put up at the Cypress Gallery here in Lompoc. I had made a little video tour of it, if you'd like to see. But that took a lot of time, preparation, and as I said, I haven't poured for over a week, so I'm going with something tried and true that is generally a winner, a ribbon pour. I am using Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paints, which I have extended. I love these paints. I've tried various ready-to-pour paints. These are my very favorites, and have extended them. People often ask, well, why do you do that if they're ready to pour? And initially, I did it because, they're kind of expensive, and I wanted them to last longer. So I mixed them with a glue and Floetrol mix, which I will detail down below. And I don't know that it's really saves money because the price of everything has gone up, the paints and Floetrol. But I really like the effects I get with it. Better than I do, I like them straight out of the bottle, which I also do occasionally. But I'm very happy using this mix with them. They stay nice and vivid in color, and they dry great, and I'm very happy with it. So, my colors are a black background, and then I have 3 shades of Cerulean Blue. Just mixed with my medium. Can you see my colors here? No. There's the Cerulean Blue. This is with a bit of white, and this is with more white. And then I thought I wanted a little sparkle in there, so I mixed up some Prism pour in Royal Sapphire. That'll add a bit of glitz to it. I thought about adding silver, but I'm not always happy with silver. So those are my colors. And here we go. I just pour down about this much in the center of the canvas, and then I'll apply the ribbons, and then I will tilt for full coverage. This is a, what is it, 10 by 20 inch canvas, I believe. All right, I'm going to start with the medium cerulean. I'll probably do a couple layers of each color. Prism pour. I don't think I've ever tried adding any of this to my Artist Loft mixes, but it's always a first time for everything, and I might discover I love it. Okay, let's just pour it all in now. I might leave little tiny bit in each cup in case I want to do some skinny ribbons. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And the light blue. Okay, move this, clear a little more room. And here we go. I'm going to apply it in a figure 8 motion. Here we go. Overlapping. Want to maintain. Oh, isn't that pretty? You know, you can hardly go wrong with blues. I'm getting a lot of skinny lines already. I don't think I'll need to add any more. Okay. Wow, my prism pour got kind of lost. I really only see it right there. But as I tilt, it may may come up more, but that's okay. I'm happy with the blues. This is the only spot where I started. I should have started off the canvas. It's the only part I don't like. And I do like that blue. What can I do? There's always something, you know? It rarely goes as smoothly as one would like. Me anyway. I'm going to do this. I don't know if that's any better, but there we go. It may end up tilting off completely. Just move it around slowly and get coverage. I just look at that. Look at the size. They're yummy. I love the drama of a black background. On my little, there we go. That thing went away anyway. My little tour of my current show, I showed my last ribbon pour, which I applied, oh, I can't talk, resin to. And oh my goodness, I loved the way that looked. So if I'm happy, if I keep this one, I will probably do the same. I'm out of practice. Yeah. I don't care for that real light area there. Much prefer this sap over here. So what to do about that? I used up my black. I think I'm going to tilt. I'm going to tilt some of that off. I don't have to get rid of all of it, but send the weight of the paint down here into the dark area and then shoot it off there. I don't have to lose all of it, but some of it anyway. Now that end there needs a little help. Okay. It's kind of hard to explain sometimes what I'm doing. Some of it is just intuitive as far as composition goes. And I don't really know how to explain what I'm trying to accomplish. But I think I like that. Yeah. I think I'm gonna pour some more skinny ribbons though over some of these areas. So I'm going to take my gloves off because I'm done tilting. And then I'll bring you in for a closer look. So I'm just going to use the 3 blues. And I'll pour into the light blue with the darker, just those 2. And just a little bit here and there. Not too much. I don't have to use up this entire cup. I know, I can hear some of you saying, stop, stop. I just love the dimension it gets when you add ribbons on top of ribbons. One more. Oops. Oh, I never like to go right to a corner like that. Well, the only way to fix that is to tilt it. It's just, or what could I do? Maybe I can, yeah, I'll tilt it. Said I wasn't going to do any more tilting, and here I go. And it's not moving. Oh, well, I'll live with that. I'll live with that because I like the rest of it enough to leave it alone. Okay. Let's go in for a closer look. That light blue almost appears white on the dark background, but it's actually a pale, pale blue. And there's some of that Prism pour color in there. It'll be a little shimmery and wonderful when it's dry. Some transparency going on there. I like that. Yeah. I tell you, you can hardly go wrong with blues. Well, my friends, I hope you liked that. I hope you're doing your own ribbon pours. They're really quite simple and I think very effective. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.